Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to enable live thumbnails on TikTok. So you may have opened TikTok channel and noticed that all of the thumbnails are pictures and you wanted them to be animated. So if you want to change this, I'm going to show you how. The way to do this, the first thing we have to do is go back to our TikTok account, and on the home page, you'll go to the profile button found on the bottom right corner. And once in the profile page, the next thing you'll do is go to the 3 lines button found on the top right corner. This will open up a list of options. Select Settings and Privacy. Then under Settings and Privacy, you'll scroll down, and under the Content and Display section, you'll find an option that says Accessibility. Select that. And once in Accessibility, at the bottom, you'll find an option that says Animated Thumbnails. This is currently turned off. Turn it on. And now TikTok will display live thumbnails. To check this, we go back to the previous page that I just showed you. And now, as you can see, the videos all have animated thumbnails. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.